Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Chinese government scholarship applying procedure, step by step applying procedure. In this video, this one is the first step, that how you apply for Chinese government scholarship 2022 and 2023. My English is not good, but I will try my best to tell you that how you apply for this scholarship, because I am not interested to make videos in English, but due to some students that request me that you must have to make your videos in English for international students, so that's why I'll try. So the first step is that how you apply for Chinese government scholarship. For this purpose, you need to send emails to Chinese professors, that how you send email to Chinese professors and which email you send, you need to send to Chinese professor. So we'll discuss in this video. So first step, that which email we used for Chinese government scholarship. This one is the first step, and in the very next video we will discuss that how you make CV and the further process about this. So don't worry, everything will be covered in this video, inshallah. Which email we send to professors, the body and the subject. So in this video, after discussing here, we'll go to the computer screen and I'll tell you that which email you need to send to Chinese professors. So, and the next question is that with the email, when we send emails to professor, then which thing we attach with the email. In attachment portion, which thing we need to attach. So you must have to attach your CV, curriculum vitae, in your with your email. So you not need to attach any kind of research proposal, any kind of I want to say personal statement and study plan, etc. Just attach your CV in the attachment and send it to professor. And the next question, that how many professors we need to send, how many professors email, how many professors we need to send emails. So as many as you can, but in one university you should send email to 5 to 6 professors. After that, after waiting 1 or 2 days, then you need to send other professors emails and carry on, because in one university, for example, in one university 100 professors are available in your department. Never send emails to 100 professors at the same time in a same day. So it's not good. So send emails 5 to 10 professors in a day, and wait for 1 or 2 days. After if they not replied you, then send to other professors. Okay, this is for one university. If you want to send emails to different university, means you want to send 5 to 10 universities for acceptance letter, then you can do that. 5 to 10 university, every professor, you need to send 5 to 10 professors emails in every university. So you can do that. And the next one is which thing we type in the subject title. You need to type that request for supervision and request for acceptance letter. And when we go to computer screen, then we will discuss that which thing we type. You should have to type in this video. In the email. And the next one, which email we use, means yahoo.com, gmail.com, qq.com, or 163.com, means this is a different platforms for sending emails. So you can choose any email format, any email. So means if you have Gmail and if you have yahoo.com, you can get, because most students say that you must have qq.com, because Chinese professors replied on this email. So don't worry about this, it's easy. So, and the next, when we start to sending email, then the answer is that in the next month. Now I am recording video in the month of August, the first week of August, and you need to send email in the next month. Means from the 6th September to 14th September, you need to send 2 emails to Chinese professor every year. So in the next month, not need to send emails right now. So first you have to prepare your CV. Then how you prepare your CV, we will discuss in the next video. But in this video, that how to send email. So now we will go to the computer screen, that how you send emails to Chinese professor. And good luck. We'll meet on computer screen. Now we are on computer screen. Type CSE Guide Official in Google. It's a request from my side. Type CSE Guide Official in Google and click on the first link. After that, you can see here's the website csguideofficial.com. You can get everything from this website. So click on this option, China Scholarship Procedure 2022 and 2023. You can see these 6 steps. If you follow these 6 steps, you can get the scholarship. So first one, we discuss this one. Step 1, how to send emails to Chinese professors for acceptance letter. So here is the detail. In subject line, you must type something, and the first one is request for supervision. This is the most attractive, and the second one is request for acceptance letter, and the third one is request for acceptance letter for supervision. So I copy this one and send it here. So I raise the first one, okay, because I already made video in English, in Urdu, so that's why it's type here. So I already type. So request for supervision, click on type here, and after that, these are the email body, 2 type of email bodies, so you can use any of them. So first one, copy here, copy this one and paste it here, and attach your CV from your computer. So how you make CV, we discuss about this in the next video, so don't worry. And the perfect time, mostly students say that when we need to send emails to Chinese professor. So the Chinese, you need to send email at night. So in a daytime, you not need to send emails to professor, because mostly they replied when the professors are in university. So that's why. Good luck, and hope so we will meet in the next video, and in the next video we discuss that how you make your CV. Good luck.